In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Forex order on TradingView via Forex.com. If you're looking to navigate these platforms with ease and make your trading experience seamless, you've come to the right place. So without further ado, let's dive right into the process. First and foremost, we need to establish a secure connection between your Forex.com account and TradingView. Start by logging into your Forex.com account. Once you're in, follow the on-screen prompts to link it up with your TradingView account. Establishing this connection is crucial as it allows you to execute trades efficiently and take full advantage of the robust features offered by both platforms. Now that your accounts are connected, it's time to select the Forex market that interests you. Whether you have a specific currency pair in mind or need some inspiration, utilize the search bar at the top or browse through popular Forex pairs until you find the instrument you want to trade. For instance, you might choose the EUR-USD pair if that's what suits your strategy. With your market decided, the next step is to open the order ticket. TradingView offers several convenient methods to do this. One way is by using the trading panel located at the bottom of the screen. Simply click on the buy or sell buttons depending on your position. Alternatively, you can right-click directly on the chart at your desired price level and select trade, then create new order. Finally, you also have access to buy or sell buttons on the chart itself, which you can click to initiate your order. Once your order ticket is open, it's time to input your specific order parameters. First, pick the correct account if you have several options. Then decide whether you want to buy or sell. Choose your order type, be it market, limit, stop, or stop limit. Enter the exact price at which you wish to set your order. Specify the amount, indicating the number of units you want to trade. Finally, you can optionally set a stop loss to minimize potential losses and a take profit level to secure gains. Now that everything is in place, carefully review the order details to ensure they're exactly how you want them. When you're satisfied, go ahead and click the Place Order button to submit it. And just like that, your order is on its way. A quick note, if you ever need to modify or close your positions, you can do so by using the Trading Panel tab at the bottom of the platform. TradingView provides the flexibility to create orders directly on the chart or adjust them by dragging to different price levels, giving you real-time, hands-on control over your trading activities. That concludes our guide to placing a Forex order through TradingView and Forex.com. Happy trading and see you in the next video.